Thank you very much, and my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamta, sorry for interruption.
Justice, she said, is crying behind closed doors. That was the line Mamta Banerjee chose as she walked straight into the Chief Justice of India's chamber and launched a fierce attack on the Election Commission over the special intensive revision of voter rolls in West Bengal. This afternoon, the West Bengal Chief Minister appeared before a Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant seeking urgent intervention. What was scheduled as a legal hearing quickly turned into a charged political and constitutional moment. Banerjee asked for 5 minutes. The court gave her 15. Raising her voice, Mamta Banerjee accused the Election Commission of shutting its doors on her state. She told the bench she had written 6 times to the poll body without receiving a single response. According to her, the revision exercise has crossed from procedure into injustice. The Supreme Court bench, also comprising Justices Joy Mallya Bagchi and V.M. Pancholi, acknowledged that her concerns deserved attention. The court assured her that every issue has a solution and issued a formal notice to the Election Commission.
Thank you very much, and my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamta, sorry for interruption.
Respected Chief Justice, sir,
Not that
I am
imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You'll be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we
only just want to, sir. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. Their number also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number two, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
Unless it is they-
because of Bengal is targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that.
Why not Assam?
Any cooperation. They say.
Why not Northeast?
What followed was a sharp warning. The court asked the EC to exercise caution while issuing SIR notices. It told the commission to instruct its officers to be sensible. This came after Banerjee submitted that notices had gone even to well-known figures like Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, poet Joy Goswami, and sitting Trinamool MP Deepak Adhikari. Mamta Banerjee argued that ordinary voters were paying the price for bureaucratic rigidity. She also accused the Election Commission of selectively targeting Bengal ahead of elections. Outside the courtroom, Trinamool MP and senior advocate Kalyang Banerjee said the court had taken note of 2 crucial issues.
The writ petition filed by Mamata Banerjee was taken up for hearing, and Mamata Banerjee has argued her case. Few points have been argued, and the Honorable Court observed that if required, more time will be given to her to argue her matters. And one observation is important, that the Honorable Court has said to Mamata Banerjee that 2 important points have been taken in the petition itself that's needed to be considered and decided. The Mamata Banerjee has argued the points. Number 1, only the deletion process is going on, no inclusion process has been taken up for long 4 months. Number 2, there is no power to appoint micro observer and the roll observer, and the roll observers are they are not subdivisional magistrate level rank. They are coming from Coal India, RBI, etc., etc. And all that micro observers have been brought from the BJP states, and argued that only in the 2 or 3 states where non-BJP is there, this is the process hurriedly is going on. But in the BJP state, the process has not been commenced, like Assam, North India, these cases. So far the logical discrepancy is concerned, she has said that very minor mistake, that has also been taken very seriously. Example given, father's name was Khan. Now this time they have printed Khan. So whose mistake it is? Court has given the example. Datta, D-U-T-T-A, Datta, D-A-T-T-A, Datta. Bandopadhyay, Banerjee. Court has given the example. Bipul, B-I-P-U-L. In Bengali it is Bipul, B-I-P-U-L. How these mistakes can be how they can be disqualified for that? Now the Election Commission has been asked to address all that issues. So many issues have been raised, and orally it has been observed by the court that they may extend the time for the hearing purpose, because only 4 days are left, and 56, 58, nearly 60 lakhs have not yet been heard, which is not possible within this short period of time. Therefore, the court has kept the matter on Monday for further hearing, and they have been asked to give it any response they want to give it. One point was raised by the Election Commission that so many SDM is not available in West Bengal like Bihar. Bihar is having 43 districts and West Bengal is having 23 districts, and every district, all the posts of subdivisional officers are filled up by the SDM, those who are IAS or WBCS senior officers. Those who are now the court has asked whether the grade 2 officers can be given to help them. The Mamata Banerjee has said yes, it can be given. Number 3 is that the court has said whether this Bengali and meaning, for that reason Bengali officers will be available or not. Mamata Banerjee has said yes. आज जो मामला हुआ है जो था ममता बनर्जी का.
The Supreme Court has now posted the matter for Monday. The Election Commission has been asked to respond. What happens next could shape not just voter rolls in Bengal, but the larger balance between election management and voter rights in India.